Honorary membership is being bestowed on Dr. Vijay K. Dhir, Distinguished Professor and Dean of the Henry Samuel School of Engineering and Applied Science at the University of California, Los Angeles, for pioneering scientific and engineering contributions to boiling heat transfer and nuclear reactor thermal hydraulics and safety. Professor Dhir is also being recognized for contributions to industry as a consultant, for significantly influencing engineering education through academic leadership, and for continued exceptional service to the mechanical engineering profession. Professor Vijay Dhir was named the Dean of UCLA's School of Engineering in 2003, and since then he has revamped the curriculum and made multidisciplinary study a hallmark of his administration. Under his leadership, the program is thriving.
Now it has become so difficult to get into the School of Engineering. This year we had close to 14,000 applicants for 650 positions at the freshman level.
In addition to his stellar administrative work, he is head of UCLA's Boiling Heat Transfer Laboratory, where he has done pioneering work on boiling in microgravity.
We developed an experiment here some time ago, and which was flown on space station last year.
The International Space Station experiments confirmed his team's numerical simulations, which predicted boiling water would behave differently in space. On Earth, many small bubbles form and rise to the surface, but in microgravity, boiling water forms one large bubble in the middle of a heated surface.
So this large bubble sitting in the middle of the test surface acts as a reservoir with smaller bubbles continuously feeding it.
Early in his career, Professor Dhir worked in industry and focused on the gasification of coal. When he joined the faculty at UCLA, he shifted his attention to nuclear power plants. In this laboratory, Professor Dhir and his students are simulating the behavior of a nuclear reactor core after an accident, an understanding that will ultimately improve the safety of nuclear power plants.
Because if you develop a good understanding of the process, then you are in a position to predict as to what would happen.
Eduardo Actonol is a PhD student who develops numerical simulations of boiling under Professor Dhir's guidance. He sees that the benefits of Professor Dhir's mentorship go well beyond the everyday obligations of completing his degree.
He knows everything there is to know about the subject, and this is invaluable. There's no way to measure how good this is, because I need that kind of guidance.
The variation in surface tension, we notice this additional convection that is not there otherwise, which is...
You have to really have passion for what you are doing. You have to work hard to accomplish something tangible. And then if you work hard, don't worry about the rewards, they will come.